Okay, we'll just begin with the first module, that is income from capital gain and other sources. We'll focus on this income from capital gain. So what is capital gain? As per section 45 subsection 1, any profit arising from such capital asset is called as what now? Capital gain. Such profit or gain on a transfer of asset is taxable under the head of what now? Income from capital gain. Now what do you mean by exactly the capital gain? Okay, capital gain is what? From land, okay, jewelries, anything you get more than what you have paid for some duration, that is called as capital gain. We'll understand the further part. Okay, that is capital asset. So now what are capital asset? Section 2 subsection 14, capital asset means property, that is fixed asset held by assessee whether or not in connection with business or profession. All movable we have to consider, or immovable. Okay, movable is what? Your furniture, jewelry. Immovable is what? Yes, it is your land, building, all those stuff, machinery, which are immovable. Tangible, okay, your plant and machinery. Intangible will be goodwill and all those. Okay, so all will be termed as what now? Are treated as what now? Capital assets. Now capital asset does not include what all things, which is not including stock in trade, what a businessman is doing, what he is having in stock or inventory, it is not included. Then raw materials held by a person on his business or profession, which is not included. Any personal movable asset held by a person for own use, okay, it's like jewelry and all, okay, which is be not treated as a capital asset. Example, vehicle, household furniture, other household appliances, clothes. But well, except what now? Jewelry. Except in the sense we shouldn't consider jewelry in personal movable, it will be treated as what now? Capital asset itself. So some government securities like national defense gold bonds, special bearer bonds, etc., those all will be not treated as what now? Capital asset. The next one is what? Meaning of transfer. What do you mean by word called as a transfer? Transfer means what? Sale, exchange or compulsory acquisition of capital asset by government under any law, that will be called as what now? Transfer. You remember sale over here for this module. Okay, classification of capital asset. There are two classification of capital asset, that is group 1 and group 2. Okay, now in group 1 what will be treated, we'll just see in the next video. Okay,